Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Saitama token or Saitama company, right? So in this video, we are going to go through my views on the price point of Saitama that is currently there, and probably one of the recent messages which is put out on Discord. This is a special message or an update for all those people who have got the Vegas tickets. I mean, the Vegas event tickets, in fact, and they have received emails. So please do watch this video. It is a very important update which I would like to share with you. And if you have still not actually gone ahead to Discord and verified that, or probably seen that particular message, I would strongly advise you to go back to Discord and also have a look at the message as well. So having said that, before I start this video, the same old disclaimer, guys. Sorry for the dogs barking if you're able to hear that. So I'm not a financial advisor, or neither is this financial advice. Please do your own research before you get into any token out there in the crypto space, and be wary of scams. So this is Mr. Aslan. Crypto education is my passion. Having said that, let's move on with this video, guys. So moving on, the first and foremost thing that I would like to have a look at is the price point. We see that there is a good appreciation of 1.36%, but however, the volume has dropped down by 46%. Yes, it is just an $8 million volume that has happened in 24 hours, and it is a big drop in terms of the purchases or the sales, whatever be the condition that has happened. But good to see that the market cap has increased by 1.36% as well. Now, coming down to what would be happening in the couple of days, probably for today. In fact, if I want to want to give you a slight insight, we might see a little bit of selling, is what I feel. Even the technical analysis shows that there might be a little bit of selling, but unless and until some big whale or some big, the community starts picking up the purchase of tokens, and the number of buys would be more than the number of sales. If in case that doesn't happen, then we might expect some kind of a price drop, but not to a very major extent. If you ask me, it would be somewhere by, say, another 2 to 3% on the price front. So that's what is my personal view, guys. Again, I would strongly say that you should not take this as the final recommendation or a strong point, because this is again just my opinion, that we might see a slight bit of up and down trend that might go up, a kind of consolidation or correction phase, as we call it in the market analysis. So yes, that would exist for a couple of days. And also, just a point being, this weekend, the Saturday and Sundays, we definitely see the Saturdays having a lot of trade, and the Sundays having a lot of not so lot of trade volumes that we can actually look at. One thing that I would also like to link is in terms of certain other institutional kind of investments that might happen with Saitama Inu, because there are a lot of partnerships coming in, and probably I expected a few more updates this week, but I strongly believe that this has to do with certain legality issues or contractual agreements which are still not completed, due to which we did not see much updates probably happening this week as compared to what we saw a couple of weeks back. But having said that, yes, big things are coming, and probably we might see that announcements being done very soon, and that would really mean a lot to the token altogether in terms of pricing, because now we have some big influential people getting into the token, and or the company, in fact, as a partnership, and that's for a long term, people. So that's not something that's going to be for a couple of months or so. That would definitely be for longer term, so which would definitely aid the token growth in the long run altogether. Are we still going to kill the zero by the end of this year? I am definitely confident that it would uh, be done. So, but yeah, let's hope so. That's a 10 billion market cap, guys. 10 billion market cap, which I'm quoting at, but exactly not equivalent to 10 billion. I believe there might be a reduction in supply, which might aid the price, or there might be some other mechanism where we can see once the NFTs and SaitaMask is launched. We don't know how it is going to be, widely accepted, I would say. So how big the community would grow, how big the usage would be there. And if you have watched my other video, which has three ways that Saitama can be utilized or built up with utilities, please do watch that video. The third one is really crazy, and I'm strongly believing that this is something that is going might happen in the near future. uh, Hint: payments. So having said that, that's my viewpoint. So nothing to worry as of now if you are a long term investor. But if you are so called short term investor looking for a quick profit, getting, probably you would have bought it at uh, some price point where it is at a higher level, and probably you might see that there is a small dip in your investment, but nothing to worry about it if you're a long term holder. So I would strongly say that in a couple of months, whatever you have invested would definitely be getting back to you with some good profits. Just hold on and enjoy the reflections. That's the only advice I can give to all those people out there. Having said that, let's get down back to the important point which I wanted to make in this video, guys. On the recent post that was put out on Discord by Mr. Grapes. It's in the announcement section. If you have still not seen it, please go ahead and have a look at it as well. This is specially for those winners of the Vegas NFT, uh, giveaways that happen, right? So those winners, they have got the whole NFTs right now, and now from Gabriel, they have received an email. It says if you received an email this morning. I'm sorry, I'll go with the first altogether. Attention, Vegas NFT holders. Again, specific to those people who have received or won those NFTs. If you received an email this morning or evening, depending on the course where you are, of course, where you are, that's the time zone, guys. So it may be sent by me. It's legit. So this, I guess, is just a couple of hours back or a couple of minutes back, in fact, which the email might have come down. But just go ahead and check your inbox, guys, and I would strongly request you to also check your spam box in case it would have landed up there as well. So it was sent by me. It is legit. It's the opposite of scam. uh, it was sent through the Google system. It basically gives you access to a hidden folder we call mystery box that everyone was waiting for. We hope you like the new toys we added to your NFT package. If you have questions or trouble accessing it, feel free to ask me or at Saitama Queen. Now, I did speak about this mystery box after the AMA happened with Steve Rocket Crypto. If you have seen that video or if you have not, please go check that out. My AMA detail updates on Saitama token. That was really cool. And Gabriel did say that there are some interesting things on the mystery box. I'm actually excited to find out what's there. I'm waiting for someone to actually post it on Twitter to find out what exactly the mystery box contains. Probably at the time of recording this video, I haven't gone through the Twitter posts right now. But I'll surely go through it in the coming few minutes, and probably if someone has actually put it out, I would request someone to put it out if someone has still not. I really am excited to know what the mystery box contained, and probably some screenshots would definitely help. I'm sure the community is strong, and they would also be equally excited. So if you are those one of those NFT holders, the Vegas NFT holders, please go and check your inbox. Please do check this email and also try to access this mystery box and see what you have got. And do post that on Twitter, as well as comment below here as well in this video if you're watching this and you're one among those winners, so that I will also be happy to get to know about it, and probably I'll bring out a new video to explain what the mystery box contained. Let's unwrap the mystery, guys. So having said that, ending this video here, people, thank you so much for all your support. I have reached a total of 300 subscribers yesterday, and I have also rolled out a thank you video, and it's all thanks to each and every one of you who have been very much supportive to me. And thank you so much for liking my content and also subscribing to my channel as well. My next goal would be the 500 holders and the 1000 holders eventually. I'm sure I would get there with all your love and support as well. So thank you so much, Wolfpack. That's it for this video. Have fun.